Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to use Monday.com with a WhatsApp integration. So here I am in my Monday.com workspace, and in using the Monday.com platform, you can have a WhatsApp integration right here so that when you use WhatsApp and then when you use the Monday.com simultaneously, you will have some notifications or updates that you can receive in WhatsApp so that your group or that your company will always be updated even when they are away or they are just using their phone outside. They will have a notification if changes are made to your Monday.com workspace. So in order to do that, we need to integrate the WhatsApp application. So from here in our Monday.com workspace, just click this product switcher right here that contains a lot of dots right here at the upper right. So click on it and then we will go to Marketplace. So from here, just type in WhatsApp and then we should see some results right here. And then from here, you can choose a specific application that you want to use. But for this video, we will be using this one, the WhatsApp integrator. So if you know how to use the other ones, you can also explore them, but we will focus on this application. So you can click on it and then you will have a video right here for some summary in how to use the WhatsApp integrator. And then you have the overview right here. So you can connect your boards using this WhatsApp integrator so that you can stay connected with your workspace and then you will receive all of your notifications. So let's go ahead and install the application. So just click this. And then you can choose if you want to install this WhatsApp integrator app in all of your workspaces, or you can just choose a specific workspace. So for example, I want to use this app only on the Leads workspace. So I will select it and then let's click install. And we'll just wait for it to finish. And then from here, as you can see, you will have 14 trial days to use this app, and then after that you need to pay for it if you enjoy using this application. So from here we have already chosen the workspace, and then for the board, let's choose the event sales leads board and click add app. Then from here we can use the WhatsApp integrator to perform automations in our workspace. So for example, you have templates right here. So when an item is moved to group in language, send message template to cell phone, for example, like that. So when an item is moved to this board in send message template to cell phones, for example, like that. So you can go ahead and use the templates right here to send notifications or messages to your WhatsApp. So for example, let's choose this one. This one is task management. So we can click use template. For example, when a status changes to something. So for example, when priority changes to high in, let's see our board right here. In this one is in English. Send message to, so let's see the template right here. Send message start to our sales rep right here. And then click create automation. And then that is it. We have already integrated the WhatsApp application into our workspace in Monday.com. So it says here, when the priority of a sales lead changes to high in English, send message start to sales rep in WhatsApp. For example, right here. For example, I have an event lead right here. So if the status changes to, if the priority changes to high, using the WhatsApp integrator, as you can see, it triggered the app action. So it should have sent a WhatsApp message to the sales rep that is assigned right here. So you can assign a person right here so that it will send a WhatsApp message to this person. And then that's it. You can explore different integrations or the automations that the WhatsApp integrator application has so that you can make your workspace more streamlined and have more communication with your company or with your group. Then that's it. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.